Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to sneak, well not that much stuff into class, but some stuff. Just like two stuff in the class. Let's start. So first, you want juice, right? But you only have to have water, and you have to wait till lunch. You don't want to wait that long.
Yo, but I want to look at Chino too. Yeah, they can come to the phone. Alright, so boom. He calls me, he's like, yo, puzzle. I'm like, what happened? But you could tell he's like, oh, he's off the Xanax. He's off the Xanax and shit. I'm like, he's like, yo, my boy's like in love with you. I'm like, nigga, you good?
This much you want, because you're gonna get probably a sugar rush. Close it. Have to put the juice away in your fridge.
And I'm like, you probably too young to be a father-in-law, but I'm 24. He was like, oh, I'm 33, and you single. I'm like, no, I've been my nigga for 8 years. So then he's like, oh, damn, I'm heartbroken. And then she was like, yo, right, cause you a cop? I'm like, no, I'm not a fucking cop. The fuck? So then she was just like, oh, 8 years, but you acted like you wasn't slipping inside it. Nigga, that's not me second. First of all, you're a people, I don't know. You're fucking record. I'm like, you just like my whole dick, and I want to see him smack the shit out of you. And he said, no, I didn't mean it like that. And he banged. Yo, I was so fucking mad. Like, first of all, you trying to hook me up on this?
Okay, right? So,
Yeah.
you're gonna want this, a paper to cover it. Okay, look. You have to like have a water bottle with the thing that's sticky on it, right? Hold on. Something?
Nothing. You sound like you want something. Oh, I paid my stairs. Look.
Okay, so you're gonna want it. Put it the way it was.
It's just doing the stairs. You know how long it takes to 3 hours. No lie. It's not each side and then. Yeah, and I'm not done. You want to write up a gray paint and do these two walls. Keep this one right here, right? Keep this one right here. And then
Okay, I know I didn't do good, but I tried. You have that? Okay, for this, probably gonna be easy to use or not. You gotta rip out a page. One page. You're gonna wanna make sure that, because you don't want the teacher to figure out to bind up with stuff in it. And then you're gonna wanna make another side. Put 2 holes. Okay, right? You got that side. Have crackers. You put in how much you want. Stuff. but that side doesn't want to close, so you try the middle part, and the middle part will close. Okay, close. You have the crackers on this one side. You don't have to do anything. You could, if you want, break them up to little pieces or have them like this. But you have to keep them all on the back side. Okay, look. So this is what I have now. We're done with this. And we're done with this. But we are gonna need the scissors. This, look. Okay, so for this, guys, my fault. You're gonna wanna trim apart. You just want to trim parts of it. Okay, that's all you want to do. And then if it's almost falling off, then what you need to do is just dig in this way. Okay, yeah. So dig in. Easy. If you want, drink your water. Easy. This is good.
What the fuck is wrong with her? She didn't tell me. I'll smack quiet at her. That'll be the first time I smack my mom. That's disrespectful. That's a fucking disgrace. You disrespected my brother. That baby has, look. I know, I heard that baby has something to do with it. It's not his fault.
You got those a little bit.
I was like, yo.
The crackers still closed. Sometimes you don't even have to open it just to eat it. Just go on. No. That other hook can move. I'm gonna eat that one. This is so you won't have to get in trouble by sneaking an actual candy. Crackers are healthy. Sneak your healthy stuff. And then you can put in more if you have some. And like a little. If you have one of those zippy things that you could put your crumbs in, one of those, and just put it in. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Bye. Like and subscribe.